So we're at the UP Mall. There's Kyle. The girls are walking in front of me instead of behind me so I can vlog with them. There they are. Hey guys. Hello. So yeah, we're just at the UP Mall. You were, babe. Dad, Kyle. Can't go into Ulta because it doesn't connect to the mall. Yeah. So Kyle and I are sitting here just waiting on the girls. We're in Charlotte Russe. There's the shoe wall back there. But sitting in Charlotte Russe, waiting on the girls to check out. Nellie's getting like 2 pairs of leggings. So, really. And then we're gonna go to what? Goodwill?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to Goodwill. So, will you stop, Kyle? You stop. I'm like eating my hair. All right. I will see you guys when I go to Goodwill. So, guys, have you had fun shopping? Yeah. They bought crap, and I bought what, like a $2 like. She just bought leggings because she's leaving me in shorts. Thanks, Nellie. You are adorable. You're adorable. Or she, I think. I don't know. Hi, buddy.
You're all scarier, aren't you?
You guys are cute. Oh, you're so whiny. Don't be so whiny.
I know. I know. It's okay.
Hi, guys.
It's okay.
Give him this. Just hurry.
It's okay. We got to pet all 4 of you.
Hurry. Touch him. This one, like, is so lonely. He's like, but. Move on now.
See, that's the dog that gets like this tall.
What? Never mind. I get shoved ahead. Yeah, I know. It's freaking rude. I hate coming in here. Aww. They're so cute. He's cute. Kyle, I want the dash hound. Look at this one. He just looked at me like, I know you want me. Who are you? He's a doodle. Spaniel? Not really. These are cute.
There's a Siberian Husky in there.
Oh, look at the bunny. Look at the birdie. Look at the birdie. How's kind of bunny? Some more bunny. Hey, Nellie. Nellie.
I know. Yeah, you want to bite my fingers? Good boy. You just want to bite my fingers. You just want to bite my fingers. Come here. You bougie.
You're so cute. Oh, we are back in the car. They're going through all their goodies that they got. I'm wearing Bailey's ears. Hey, where's my
You're wearing her ears.
thing from Claire's?
Your keyboard?
Yeah.
Yeah, the cuteness.
I did finally get a silicone keyboard cover. It was like $2
Yeah.
on clearance. It says 5, but everything was 2, so it's all sparkly. So I'm gonna use that. Go ahead and put it back in the bag, guys, so I don't lose it. But yeah, it's on my bag. So yeah, the girls got Starbucks. I had my s'mores thing. Kyla had a Java chip. We had strawberries and cream, and then Nellie had the s'mores without coffee. So
Without coffee, that's
yes,
why.
without coffee. So the girls are back there with their treasure of goodies. Like, good God, they have so much shit.
All of mine fits in my
Where's our stuff?
Right here, I did get me and Kyle did get a few things. I'm wearing a new Star Wars shirt, and I have jeans on now, as you can tell, because I kind of bought some jeans.
Chub Rub.
But yeah,
Chub Rub was real. Chub Rub was real.
It was real. That it was, guys.
That it was.
Yeah. So we are headed to the last Goodwill of the day, which is mine. Yay!
And then food.
And then food. And then home.
Eat some Mexican
So, yes! Are you guys having fun?
Yes.
Spending money?
Let's go by my work and flick it off.
I feel like it. Guys, so we just got done at Concord. I got flip-flops. The girls got a few things. And we are actually at the car wash.
I got 3 with either credit card or
Got a new what?
3 really cute shirts.
I got one.
I got one crop top.
You guys will like this. There's blue neon
Would
in
you
it.
like a receipt?
No.
Don't talk to me that way. Is it open?
Yes, sir.
All right, I would say I don't want to not go. I like this one better than the other one on Goshen. It's got all the blue LEDs.
Ah,
It is a little bit of a pain in the butt to turn in this thing.
but this is true.
Yeah, have a good day, bud.
Yeah,
Thank
we'll
you.
see you inside.
This place is like, they do a really good job. Believe me, your car is going to look amazing. It's just a pain in the ass to turn in here. You'll see why. Watch.
I know, you gotta do like the, out and
I just
around
love the
shit.
blue. The blue is what makes it fun.
Okay, so...
And the coolest thing is you don't drive. You just put your wheel in it.
Yeah, you never drive in a car wash usually. It looks like a freaking circus.
Do it after
No, we
we
never
never
do.
Yay, the lights.
There's the blue LEDs. Oh, my car's getting pissed on.
That's so cool.
My car's getting pissed
Don't
on.
dribble when you pedal.
This is the only one. The other one doesn't do this. That's why I like going to this one.
Oh my god, don't be an epileptic coming through here, Jesus.
Doesn't it smell like Smarties?
Oh, it does.
It smells like peppermint.
I know it smells like
peppermint.
It smells like
Smarties.
wintergreen.
It does.
So good. It's so beautiful.
Do you realize that I'm not driving right now, right?
Yeah.
The wheel is getting grabbed.
It does it for yourself.
That's what it usually does.
Oh my god, earthquake.
Well, usually the machine
I
moves.
am not going with you in the Kia.
Why?
The car. No. I'm
Why?
not going through that damn thing in the car wash. It's an Uber. I don't fucking think so.
They'll like be like looking at you.
That is some Final Destination shit, babe.
Yeah.
No, I was like, we're going to Goshen. We're going to my favorite fucking car lot.
They always are just like
Noodle.
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 You like this in
Noodle.
store.
Noodle. What the fuck?
Like close your eyes and just listen. Oh my god,
There's more
I
noodles.
remember when we took Sophie through one of these. Oh my god,
I
she
bet
was
she
like, what the
flipped
fuck is
the
going
fuck
on?
out.
Hey, imagine taking Dixie in
I
this.
would do that to Bug. Right?
Dixie would freak the fuck out.
Oh, I will. Yeah. He's
Shit all
gonna get
over
the
the
side of soggy noodles.
Make it
This is my
rain.
favorite part right here.
I love it.
Listen, it's like
The coolest part is the mirror. It lets you see exactly what it did.
Oh, it looks so pretty. It won't look that way for long, but it's pretty.
Wait for it.
Freedom!
I'd say go vacuum it out, but no. Let's get going. Alright.
awesome.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Let's go to Hacienda now, guys.
Feel the clean.
So, we got chips, and some dip, and some ranch, and Kyle's eating already.
Like,
Screwed my
So are
hand.
they.
We're the girls. We all got wet
yeah, but yours is
burritos.
already like.
We all got wet burritos. I got a pina colada because God only knows I need it. I was helping them.
Look at that glorious creation right there. Oh.
Loser. No. Pina colada is the best. Just saying. Don't drink alcohol, kids. I'm of age, so. Alright, so we're eating. Look at that deliciousness. Look at it. Look at it.
Oh shit.
Alright, say bye for the vlog, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, so we are home. Jelly! Peanut butter! Jelly! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly! We've been singing that song all week and we finally got the necklaces. Yes! That's like perfect. Fist bump. I made the mistake of getting them Starbucks.
Wait, we didn't have no coffee though.
We didn't have no coffee. And then Bailey
Now I
had.
can say that I have 2 Victoria's Secret things. Right? Like expensive, but like $3.
Kill me.
Oh, look at my book. Isn't it cool?
It sucks.
I'm just kidding. Yes, but.
So the girls are going through all the shit that
Oh,
they
this
got.
is yours, Tony.
Oh, yes, I gotta put this on, guys. I gotta see if it'll fit. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be really pissed. This was only $2.
Football.
What the Fuck family.
Boof! Ball! This is.
I'm touching the balls. I like to
Oh
fuck
my
the
goodness,
balls.
I am in love with
Look
this
at her
set.
cute bag, guys. Like, she got such a cute little bag at
I'm
Route
in love
21.
with this.
Yes, and I found it.
Yeah,
Just saying.
amazing. I'm in love with
And Alan. You're really gonna sing that? You're not gonna want to sing that after you watch Insidious. Oh yeah, Kyle just went to get Insidious, so I will vlog that too while they're watching Insidious and shitting themselves. Okay?
I'm gonna
Yeah,
shit myself.
he went. You will shat yourself.
I probably will though. I'll probably-
Legitimately.
we had Mexican food, so I already had
Oh my
gas.
God. Yeah, of
Right?
course. I vlogged that and we had hacienda. So yeah.
This is a scary movie. I
Why do I smell baby poop?
What?
I smell Hallie poop.
Because you've been around for 2 weeks. So yeah.
We started talking about poop and I smelled Hallie.